Alright then, let's just take a look at Verasity then on the daily time frame. As always, thank you very much for joining me again. I'm Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment and all that good stuff before we begin. And with that being said, we'll just take a quick look at Verasity then on the daily time frame. As you can see over the past few days, there's been more FUD and nonsense surrounding Verasity in terms of its fundamentals, which I think has been driving the price down. But I think also you have to take into consideration that really we were still looking for that true backtest of that Fibonacci level. Down at this Verasity 0.38 Fibonacci level here at just under 1 cent. Obviously we were holding that 1 cent area of support quite well, but I think a true backtest of that Fibonacci level was always going to be on the cards, especially with a bit more FUD in the markets as we have seen. Bitcoin's actually been going sideways and not doing too bad, but you can see Verasity here, it was consolidating, doing something like this, going sideways in this area, but you can see over the past few days a little bit of FUD in the market, and we've come down to our key support finally for a proper back test of that previous swing. Still looking like we're in a nice bullish uptrend here, as you can see, back testing into this area, and I'd still expect us to continue into the bull market with nothing really changed at all, apart from a little bit of a deeper retrace than perhaps some people were expecting. But I think this is a fairly common and obvious thing in bull markets. You obviously will make your way up through your Fibonacci levels, and I think really this back test here is just completely standard, as we saw back here when everyone was thinking that Verasity was dead. It does a 3x and then it does a 50% retracement. Everyone thinks it's dead here, and then it will probably do another 3x and go up to the next Fibonacci level next. I'm still targeting that 2 cent level at the 618 as our main target over the next few months, getting into the bull market in full. And obviously I think Verasity really is going to start picking up off those lows once we see a lot of altcoins starting to move. You can see the macro is very, very unchanged as well. Obviously the huge previous bull market here, as you can see. Consolidation throughout this long bear market that we've seen. Finally a break above this area of resistance here, back testing into our fib levels, and really I'd be expecting Verasity to just start making its way up through its fib levels like this over the next few months going into the bull market. So nothing has changed really. The technical is still looking really good. The local area just looking like it's going in for a bit more of a back test, as you can see. On the hourly time frame, this is not looking that bad at all to me. Pretty obvious when you look at this that we are just coming back in for a nice back test of that fib level here, which we're sitting at now, and we could easily see this go lower, maybe test into this area here and then continue upwards. So nothing to be concerned about in my opinion. The technical is still looking fine. The bull market is almost here. We haven't even seen the bullish price action that we're going to see for altcoins yet. Maybe like 5% of the total for this year and next year. So let's see what we can do. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.